That right there, he's already planted grain in. He's already harvested that, planted wheat in it. We're gonna hunt pheasant this weekend. I think there will be birds flying in Stratford.
When's the last time you went hunting up there?
28 years ago, I think. And those birds have aged well, too.
"2024 pheasant season, opening day, Stratford, Texas."
Look at there. Look at them flying.
Okay, folks, it is December 7, and that means pheasant opener here in the state of Texas. We are in the Texas Panhandle, and we're hoping to get on some roosters.
Those birds that are flying right now, right?
Quail. Nice.
I got one of them.
You got one?
You got a quail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were the rest of those quail too?
I think so.
Smoked that guy.
You did, man. Let's go find him. Nice, dude.
I don't know if I can shoot because that barn's there. But...
Yeah. It got peppered a little bit.
You get one?
No, I did not.
Dang, I don't know if I'll be able to find that.
Well done, dude.
Lay your cap down. Lay your cap down.
Why?
So we'll know set up that way.
Oh, here he is.
Oh, baby.
Dang, if I didn't look down right there, I would have never seen it. That's my first wild quail ever right there.
Well, if I would have shot better, I'd have one right now. He was banging the trailer with it. Try not to fall out the back of this truck. They're headed to spot number 2. Rooster!
I got her. We finally got one.
There we go. That is a good looking bird. Whew. So we came up here to the Texas Panhandle for the pheasant opener this year. There's not quite the bird density here, but there's a mixed bag. You can get some wild quail, wild pheasant, and we're having a blast. Rooster, he's way out there though. Still going.
My second shot was kind of a hope. First shot, I had to fight.
Got another one down.
I'm a little out of breath, and I hadn't shot a bird all day.
Well, Zach, you got your first wild quail.
I did. In Texas, on Papa's land, so feels good.
Okay.